Hey guys, what's going on? Today Kentro back here with another FS19 video, and I haven't been posting a lot recently because of school and stuff like that. So I've been doing a lot in school and got into some trouble, so I got grounded and stuff. But now I'm back, so let's get going down over here to the farmyard. And I know I got some stuff setting out. I just started this map the other day, or let me rephrase that. I just moved here the other day, so I haven't been able to get all of the stuff put up. I do crops and cattle. Actually, we gotta get in the old TLX 3500, or depending on what what comes to your mind, the old Dodge, because it's a Dodge. Let's be honest here. Look at that. Look at those lights and stuff. But the update to this just came out today, actually, so it's kind of nice. It's better than the 4-door version, because it was almost too big and stuff. So, but we got all of those bells put up. Actually, I sold 2, and then I have 2 over here by that little water hut. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. I have 2 right there because this is a hay stripper, and when I go buy some cattle, that it's used to put bedding down, which I didn't know that until just a little bit ago. And then after we get all these bales put up, I gotta finish windrowing this side of the field, and then I gotta cultivate that field and plant it again. So I think we're gonna go like right here. Yeah. Oh, run back to the farm real quick. Oh, who am I kidding? I ain't running nowhere. I'm just I know I have other tractors like the case back there, but I haven't used this tractor for loading bales ever, so hopefully it's a good tractor for it. It's a little 6M, so I mean, I guess it couldn't be too bad. Could be worse. And I know that little case, I used that little case right there actually to load the first time when I hauled off the first load of bales. But yeah, so let's see here. Let's just try a nice and easy one. And the reason these bales look bigger is because they are bigger. If you want bigger bales, use the Straw Harvest add-on DLC, because you are able to make pallets, or pellets actually, and it gives you able to make your hay bales bigger. Only your round bales. I don't think you can make your square bales bigger. You might be able to, but I don't think you can. But it's now this truck, I've never hauled bigger bales or any bales with it since the update today. I hauled bales with the 4-door version before the update came out, and it did really good. It squatted, but it did really good. So I'm not even worried about it, honestly. And here, after school gets out, if I have good enough grades, I get a 4-wheeler. So, or I might be getting a 4-wheeler. So I'm going to start doing more outdoor stuff with that. And, yeah. But I'm planning on doing some stuff to it. Depending on what I get, I might get RZWC exhaust or, something. But if I get like a Honda or something, I might put, Braden put some sort of exhaust on his, new Honda. Braden Price did, and his sounds really good, actually. I think, anyway. So if I get a Honda, I'm gonna end up doing that. But if I get like a older Can-Am, like a 2007 or 8 or 9 or something, then I'm gonna go ahead and put RJWC exhaust on it. And don't make enough money to put assassinators on it, so I might just get some cryptids or Outlaw 3s or something to put on it. Something not too cheap, but not too expensive either. So, lower that down a little bit. Alright. But, okay. Well, anyway, I'm starting to get back into Warzone more and more, so I might have some videos coming out on that here soon. So, and then FS22 is about to come out, so it's going to be pretty crazy when that comes out. And then Forza Horizon 5 is about to come out, and I plan on making some videos on that game. And when Battlefield 2042 comes out, I plan on making some videos in that game. So, y'all look forward to those. And I got some pretty big stuff coming to the channel. Not this weekend, so not tomorrow or Sunday, but the next weekend, I'm going to be doing a review on a possibly early 2000s Polaris. Now, this is my dad's four-wheeler. I am strictly a Honda or Can-Am guy. I've never owned one, but I take that back. My family's owned Hondas forever. My grandpa has an old Honda 350, and it survived a tornado and everything. So Hondas are amazing, and so far my dad's Polaris isn't too bad, but he broke a throttle cable on it. It's been about a month now, so it's got a new throttle cable on it. But I'm going to be testing it out, like I said, not tomorrow or Sunday, but the next weekend. And then I'll make a video on that. I got some more Off-Road Outlaws content coming. I figured out how to make my videos non-silent now, so y'all can, hear me talking and stuff instead of just vehicles or whatever. And sometimes I might do vehicles if I'm sick or something, and I'll put why I'm doing why I'm not talking in it in the description or whatever. But move over here, and then we gotta run back and get the truck. Just gonna leave it running, and it's kind of pointless not to. And then but, yeah, I'm back here on Old Lone Oak. I absolutely love this map. Probably my favorite FS19 map. Because it's one of the best US maps. So I just absolutely love this map. It's a good map. Like it's got big fields, it's got small fields, it's got medium fields. So I mean, it starts you out with decent equipment. I'm not a huge John Deere freak. Like, I mean, I say I'm not a huge John Deere freak. I'm driving a John Deere, but yes. All right, now listen here, Hebel. I actually might put out 2 videos today instead of just 1. So, oh yeah, and pray for my uncle. He's in the hospital right now. He's got some stuff wrong with him. I don't want to talk about it because I don't know all the details, but he's doing better, but he's not doing the best. So, just, I mean, you don't have to pray, but like, just keep him. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I'm also about to start a Twitch account, so that'll be pretty cool. I've been saying forever that I'm gonna make a flipping second channel, and I think I finally got some of the stuff to do that now. So that'll be pretty good. Get that second channel in there. That'll be more for the vlog type stuff. The everyday or whatever. Y'all know. But let's see if we can get that bell straightened out. Well, I guess it could be pushed down a little bit more, couldn't it? Hang on. We're just going to go ahead and do this the correct way. I am going to push those bells right there back because they're sliding off, I think, a little bit. Alright, we got that. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hit that right there. And then come around like this and hit it kind of like that, I guess. Not really, because I slid the bells off the other side, didn't I? It's fine, I ain't dealing with it no more. Honestly, if there was an auto-load trailer for big round bells, I would definitely use it. But it's fine, because I can't be lazy all the time, so. Oh, man. Let's get down going here. Now. Alright. Then we can back off here. Bet you that slide it down or whatever. Oh, man. And I'm also going to be doing some Farming Simulator USA videos here soon. I got some kinks to work out with that whole deal. But, pokey. But, yeah. And then, here in the next, I'd say next few months, maybe. there's going to be honestly, I'd say probably here in the next few weeks, there's going to be a pretty big deal to the channel that's going to could aggravate a lot of people. It could not aggravate a lot of people. It's one of those I don't really care too much about it because it's not y'all's channel. I mean, like, I do stuff for y'all, but it's not y'all's channel. Oh yeah, I plan on going to Busco Beach in 2023. So, if y'all are down there and I'm there and you see me, say what up, or if y'all want to ride or whatever, y'all want to go hit some trails or whatever, you know, let me know. We'll go do some stuff. We'll go hit some mud holes or, you know, whatever. Alright. But, oh man, that truck looks so good. As you can see, these bales are a little bit bigger than the regular bales. The regular bales are like 3,000 or 4,000, I think, or maybe not even that. I don't know, liters or whatever. And these are 6,500 liters, I think. So, honestly, I think the tractor might be leaving here soon. It's a good bale tractor, but I don't use it enough, you know, to, like, oh, y'all know what I'm trying to say, dang it. I don't use it enough for it to be a good investment, or for it to continue to be a good investment. So, we are gonna get this last bale loaded up, and then I'll leave the tractor in the field. Then I'll take it over there because I unload bales with a skid steer. Because I'd bring a skid steer out here, but then I'd have to either unload bales with a tractor or drive the skid steer back and forth, and I don't feel like it. So, whoa, we ain't even got a trailer full yet, or trailer full out here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bales left.